Bullish Doge value expectation is 8 cents to 34 cents. Dogecoin cost could likewise reach 50 cents soon. Bearish Doge cost expectation for 2022 is 4 cents. In Dogecoin cost expectation 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and other data about Doge to break down the future development of the digital money. Dogecoin current market status. As indicated by CoinGecko, the cost of Dogecoin is 7 cents with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $2,248,470,588 at the hour of composing. Nonetheless, Doge has expanded by almost 18.1% as of now. Besides, Dogecoin has a coursing supply of 136,651,016,383 Doge presently. Dogecoin exchanges cryptographic money trades like Binance, Coinbase Trade, Gate.io, FTX, OKX. What is Dogecoin? Dogecoin is a famous image coin that was forked from Litecoin in December 2013. The coin was made by Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer from a viral image of the canine variety, Shiba Inu. Doge keeps on existing as a distributed and open-source digital currency. Dissimilar to Bitcoin, Dogecoin utilizes a proof-of-work agreement instrument that depends on the script calculation. This gives less block time for the Dogecoin organization. Bitcoin requires as long as 10 minutes to deal with a block, though. In Dogecoin, the block time is 1 moment. This image coin is perceived as the most loved crypto of Tesla chief Elon Musk. Musk's tweet on Dogecoin and his constant help for it appears to speed up critical cost rallies for the image coin. Dogecoin value expectation 2022. The above graph of Dogecoin spread out the even channel design. Level channel design, otherwise called the sideways pattern. As a rule, the level channel is framed during the cost combination. In this example, the upper trend line, the line which associates the highs, and the lower trend line which interfaces the lows, run on a level plane equal and the cost activity is held inside it. A level channel is in many cases viewed as one of the reasonable examples for timing the market as the trading focuses are in combination. At present, Dogecoin is in the scope of 7 cents. Assuming that the example proceeds, the cost of Doge could arrive at the opposition levels of 7 cents and 9 cents. In the event that the pattern switches, the cost of Doge might tumble to 6 cents and 5 cents. Dogecoin backing and obstruction levels. The outline underneath shows the help and opposition levels of Dogecoin. The outlines show that Dogecoin has played out a bullish pattern over the course of the last month. Assuming this pattern proceeds, Doge could run alongside the bulls, overwhelming its obstruction level at 34 cents. As needs be, on the off chance that the financial backers betray the crypto, the cost of Dogecoin could dive to nearly 4 cents, a negative sign. Dogecoin value expectation 2022, RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume of Dogecoin is displayed in the outline underneath. It is a mark of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some undefined time frame from the past exchanging volume. Presently, the RVOL of Doge lies beneath the end line, demonstrating feeble members in the latest thing. Likewise, the moving normal of Dogecoin is displayed in the outline above. Strikingly, Dogecoin cost lies over 50 MAMA, so it is totally in an upturn. Right now, Doge has entered a bullish state. Consequently, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of Doge whenever. In the interim, the general strength record of the Doge is 74.87. This implies that Dogecoin is in an overbought state. Notwithstanding, this implies a significant value inversion of Doge might happen in the impending days. Thus, brokers need to painstakingly exchange. Dogecoin value expectation 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional list of Dogecoin. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The pointer is the normal of the growing cost range values. This framework endeavors to gauge the strength of cost development in the positive and negative bearings utilizing DMI pointers with ADX. The above graph addresses the ADX of Dogecoin. As of now, the ADX of Doge lies in the scope of 18.18685 and consequently, it shows a powerless pattern. The above graph likewise addresses the overall instability file of Dogecoin. RVI estimates the steady deviation of cost changes throughout some undefined time frame. The RVI of Doge lies under 50, demonstrating low instability. As a matter of fact, the RSI of Dogecoin is at 74.87, hence affirming a potential sell signal. Examination of Doge with BTC, ETH. The beneath graph shows the cost examination between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin. From the above diagram, we can decipher that the cost activities Doge is a disparate pattern regarding BTC and ETH. This demonstrates that when the cost of BTC and ETH increments, the cost of Doge diminishes. Also, when the cost of BTC and ETH diminishes, the cost of Doge increments. Dogecoin value expectation 2023. Assuming the declining cost activity totally dials back in energy and the pattern switches, Dogecoin could most likely accomplish $1 by 2023. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2024. With a few updates in the organization, Dogecoin could enter a bullish direction. Assuming the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, Doge could energize to hit $3 by 2024. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2025. If Dogecoin supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 3 years, Doge would energize to hit $5. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2026. On the off chance that Dogecoin supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 4 years, Doge would revitalize to hit $7. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2027. If Dogecoin supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 5 years, Doge would energize to hit $9. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2028. Dogecoin holds up serious areas of strength for and as a superior venture choice for the following 6 years in the midst of the patterns in the exceptionally unpredictable crypto market. By driving huge cost rallies, Doge would hit $11 in 2028. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2029. On the off chance that financial backers rush in and keep on putting down their wagers on Dogecoin, it would observe significant spikes. Doge could hit $13 by 2029. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2030. With more prominent progressions in the biological system, the crypto local area could keep on putting resources into Doge for the following 8 years and drive critical cost rallies for the token. Consequently, Dogecoin could hit $15 by 2030. And, with consistent upgrades in the Dogecoin organization, we can say that 2022 is a decent year for Doge. Consequently, the bullish value expectation of Dogecoin in 2022 is 34 cents. Then again, the negative value expectation of Dogecoin cost forecast for 2022 is 4 cents. Moreover, with the headways and moves up to the Dogecoin environment, the exhibition of Doge would assist with arriving at over its ongoing all-time high of 73 cents very soon. However, it could likewise reach 50 cents assuming the financial backers accept that Doge is a wise interest in 2022. 1. What is Dogecoin? Dogecoin is the trailblazer memecoin that hit the business sectors in late 2013. It was conceived out of a viral canine image. Dogecoin Network was a fork of the Litecoin. 2. Where might you at any point buy Dogecoin? Dogecoin has been recorded on numerous crypto trades which incorporate Binance, Coinbase Trade, Gate.io, FTX, OKX. 3. Will Dogecoin come to another ATH soon? With the continuous turns of events and updates inside the Dogecoin stage, Dogecoin has a high chance of arriving at its ATH soon. 4. What is the ongoing all-time high of Dogecoin? On May 8, 2021, Dogecoin arrived at its new all-time high of 73 cents. 5. Is Dogecoin a wise interest in 2022? Dogecoin is by all accounts one of the top acquiring digital forms of money this year. As per the kept accomplishments of Dogecoin in the beyond couple of months, Doge is viewed as a wise interest in 2022.